In this video, I am going to show you how to fix analog drift on Xbox Series X controller. Oftentimes, when your controller begins to drift in a certain direction, the cause may not be due to a mechanical fault. It could just be a buildup of dirt and dust, even if you try to keep things steady as you game. Some particles are bound to build up over time, and if your controller is not brand new, it could be that it just needs a bit of TLC in order to work well again. If that is the case for you, the fix is simple enough and won't require disassembling the controller. You just need to pick up a can of compressed air with a straw. This is sometimes often referred to as compressed air or pressured air. In any case, it is a can of air that will loosen the dust stuck inside various electronics. Shake your can of compressed air and then attach the straw. Then make sure your Xbox controller is completely off. Remove batteries if it is a wireless controller. Then using the thin straw, blow some air into the bottom of your analog sticks. This should be done in short, quick bursts of air. Don't continuously blow the same place for too long. Then move your controller around as you do this. Turn it upside down to make it easier for the dust to dislodge itself. Once you are satisfied, wipe your controller dry and leave it to sit for a few minutes before you try to turn it back on. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.